Throughout history, tools have helped shape the trajectory of human progress. From ancient bronze forges to the silicon laboratories of the present, tools have been the driving force to solve any challenge that comes our way. But sometimes a challenge requires more than just a cold steel wrench. Meet Eddie. One day, Eddie was handed a problem that none of his tools could fix. Eddie was asked to calculate the carbon footprint of his entire company for the first time.
Wait, I don't do that kind of thing.
Eddie didn't do that kind of thing.
I didn't do this kind of thing. I knew we needed help.
So how do you measure the footprint of the nation's leading auto body repair provider with over 1,800 facilities serving millions of customers with 300,000 sockets, 11,000 torque wrenches, 5,000 diagnostic scanners, and PPE? So much beautiful PPE. Meet Casey, an expert in supply chain sustainability. She does do this kind of thing.
Initially, all of our data was in random spreadsheets, and all the information is in silos within different departments. So it's a lot of time management to get all of the data in one place.
First, they tried spreadsheets, but that was too cumbersome. Then they tried estimates, but that lacked granularity, detail, and accuracy. They even gave consultants a try. But Eddie knew those tools were no long-term solution. The task loomed large, and the timing grew tight.
We did not have the right tool. So we needed to look outside and find the best solution for what we needed to accomplish.
That's when Eddie found Persephone.
We came up with a data management plan so that we can consistently keep track of how we get the data, where we're going to store the data, and we can just load it into Persephone.
With their new tool, this highly capable sustainability team calculated more than 700,000 emissions points, totaling over 1.6 million metric tons of CO2. And that's a good thing for Nino, a VP of operations at Caliber.
What's up with all the fluorescent lighting in this place? What's the energy draw in here?
With Persephone, Nino can tighten down the bolts across all 1,800 facilities.
How'd you guys all get here? It's a lot of jet fuel.
Actually, that's enough from Nino. Confident in the practice the team had built, Eddie and Casey delivered Caliber its first complete carbon footprint and publicly disclosed it, an industry first.
We can show progress against our carbon reduction efforts. We're able to measure that and to tell the story and to really be environmentally responsible.
You see, great challenges aren't overcome by tools alone, but more so by the measured hands that guide them. For Eddie and Casey, their challenge is far from over. But with their new strength in numbers, they're ready to face whatever tomorrow may bring. To find your new strength, visit Persephone.com.